In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for project management. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your monday.com account. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see your list of workspaces. Choose the workspace where you'd like to manage your project. On the right side of that workspace name, click the plus icon. Hover over the option for a new board, then select New Board. A pop-up window will appear. You'll see options to create a board with AI or to set it up manually. For this walkthrough, choose to create the board manually. In the pop-up, type in a clear, descriptive name for your board so your team immediately understands what it's for example, a specific project or client. Then select what you're managing on this board, such as projects or tasks, and choose the appropriate privacy type, depending on who should have access. Once that's set, click Create Board. Now, let's customize the structure of your new board. You'll want to add the columns that match the way your team actually works. To add a column, go to the far right of your board and click the plus icon at the end of the last column. A menu will appear where you can select or search for different column types. Common columns for project management include an item column for the task name or project activity, a status column to show progress, such as not started, in progress, stuck, or completed, and a people column to assign the team member responsible. You can also add a timeline column for start and end dates, and a separate date column for important deadlines or milestones. A priority column is useful to indicate urgency, like low, medium, or high. You might also add a files column if you need to attach documents, designs, or reports directly to tasks, and a notes or text column for extra instructions or comments. If you add a column you don't need, you can easily remove it. Hover over the column header, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete. To rename any column, just click directly on the header text and type in the new name. To add or edit values in any column, click inside the cell under that column and enter the information. You can also rearrange columns to match your preferred workflow. Hover over a column header until your cursor turns into a hand, then drag and drop the column left or right into the position you want. For more complex tasks, use subitems to break work into smaller, manageable steps. This helps you track detailed actions without cluttering the main board. Next, think about how you want to group your tasks. Groups let you organize items by project phase, such as planning, in progress, and completed, or by sprint, team, or any structure that fits your process. Clear grouping makes it easier to scan the board and understand where everything stands. monday.com also offers different views, which help you visualize the same information in different ways. The timeline view lets you see your project schedule across time, which is great for spotting overlaps or bottlenecks. The Gantt view shows dependencies and the overall flow of the project, helping you understand how one task affects another. The Kanban or status view presents tasks as cards moving through stages, perfect for teams that like a visual workflow. Calendar view shows your deadlines and milestones by date, which is ideal for planning your week or month. And the dashboard view gives you a high-level overview of project status, pulling together key metrics and widgets so you can quickly understand progress. Finally, remember that your board is flexible. You can tweak columns, views, groups, and settings anytime as your project evolves. The goal is to make the board reflect how your team actually works, so it stays useful and easy to maintain throughout the entire project.